Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have an Ezcurra SEA or C3, and it's an interesting lock. It's got 2 active pins at the top and 10 sliders on 2 sides. It's a really interesting pick. Now, this was sent to me very kindly by Talonpick, and I shouldn't say so early on in a video, but you should really go check out his video. He does a fantastic job picking this. He shows off a pick that he made specifically to pick these locks. Just a brilliant video. If you want to see more about this lock and how it works, completely worth go watching that video. Anyway, I'm going to try and get this in a vise, and we'll give it a pick. Okay, so we're in the vise, and the first thing to do is to just get the sliders, all of them, and push them down to the bottom. And it's really important to get all of them, and it can be quite hard to do. Actually, saying that, I haven't shown you the key yet, so there it is. Really nice. You can see the bitting on the left and the bitting on the right on the top. Then it's reversed, so you can click the key over. But it's actually it's relatively hard to get in because the sliders are not sprung. They are just they move by gravity alone and the key when it pushes them. So yeah, the first thing to do. Oh, did I show you the little active pins on top? We need to pick those first. So first thing to do is get in there and just get above all of those sliders on every side. Make sure you've got them both picked like this. And they're now in the center. Then we put tension on, like this. Go in and lift up until we see the plug move a little bit. That means that we are now resting on the sliders. Swap over like this, and then just gently pull back on the pins until you feel one binding, or the sliders. That's 2 on the right hand side, 1 on the right hand side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, start at the front on the left here. 2, 1, 3 a little bit. Okay, go back to that 5 on the right. Okay, just going along. Can't feel anything that I can hit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try this side. And that's just hit pin 1 there, and it just moved into its position and hit pin 5 at the back on the left. I keep saying pin, don't I? The sliders on the left, and we have it open. Now, here is the conundrum. How do I, and you can see all, hopefully if I focus on this for you, get in there, yeah, you can see all the sliders down there. I don't know if I can get the light in a bit more for you, but you can see all the sliders in there. I don't know whether you can even see some pins up at the top, but yeah, it's really interesting, this one. But the problem is I can't gut it. I don't know how they put this together. I've got no idea, but you can't remove the plug from this, and I'll show you. So you'd think that so you can see it's fully open there. Just lock it back up and get a screwdriver. And you think that if you undid this screw like this, and there isn't any special little pin in there, and you popped the key in like that, so there's nothing binding the middle, you should just be able to gently pull this out at 90 degrees or so. But literally you can't. I'm pulling quite firmly, and I've also undone this, and I can't seem to get this to move at all or come out. I wonder whether it's sort of built that way, so it's sort of a sealed unit. On Talonpick's video, he guts another one of these where it's been cut in half. So I imagine that he had also a problem in gutting the one which is whole. But nevertheless, I suppose that at least it's an untampered lock in this instance. and it's a very, very cool one. I hope you agree. So that is the Ezcurra C3. Surprisingly tough pick, especially because it hasn't got sprung sliders, but a really good one at that. Please, please, please go check out Talan Pick's video on the same lock. It's excellent, and I'll see you all next time.